to my channel. In this special video I am going to discuss that how you can add audio to a video file in VLC media player. So for this purpose you have first to open the VLC media player which is installed on your PC. I have opened already. So after opening you will go to the media. Open the media, go to convert and save, and then come over here, add your file to which you want to add an audio, which is without audio. Before you have removed the audio from a video, and then after that you are going to add another type of audio. So for this purpose you will open the video without an audio. So here just click on the add button and open that specific video which is without audio. Now before going to add an audio to the video, I am going to show you the video which is without audio. So it's the video in which there is no voice. Now I will add an audio to this file. So for this purpose you have to go to VLC media player. Then after adding the video you will go to show more options. Show more options. Then go to play another media and then browse from where you have to add the audio file. Then add an audio file here. That's it. There's the audio file which will be added to the video. Then after that you will select that and then go to convert and save. After pressing convert and save, this type of a preset will be opened in front of you, in which you have to go to the profile. Now inside the profile there are various options in which you have to convert your audio and video. Various converters are there. So the first one, that is H.264 plus MP3, which will provide you an MP4 video with an audio. That is the best one. It's recommended, so I will always use this format for your video. Then there is an option on right of this, that is edit selected profile. If you click on it, so there are many options over here. There is video codecs. In video codecs you can remove video from an audio. Just uncheck this and video will be removed from your audio. If you want to remove an audio from a video, then go to audio codecs and then go to audio, uncheck this audio, and the audio which is already in a video, that will be removed. But I'm going to add the audio, so that's why I will keep the audio and video both. Rest, if you want to give any type of format to your video, so you can do it by self manually. Otherwise there is no need. Keep original audio track and keep original video track as well. If you want to manually select the audio and video, then keep original video track that should be unmarked, and then go to this option in which you have many options from where you have to select the video format. But I'm not going to change it. This is the one which is keeping original video track. Once you are done with these settings, then go to save and browse where you want to save your video. Name it for your ease and just save it. In a few seconds your video will be saved. Start and then your video is saved. That's it. My video has been converted now into a file where there is video and audio both. I'm going to show it to you now. Before, the same video was there without an audio. Now after adding, there will be an audio with the video. Now look at the video where I have added the voice or audio. I will play it. Now there is a clear voice. So that's it. It's so easy method by which you can add audio to your video tracks, and you can combine it with VLC. No need of any other type of software. Just use VLC media player. In VLC media player you can remove the audio from a video, you can remove a video from an audio, and you can also merge audio and videos together. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you.